Hello, I'm Kooning and welcome on my YouTube channel. I'm an illustrator, artist, author and educator from the Netherlands, and I like to inspire people with my art. I can't choose which medium, so I do a lot. Pencils, color pencils, graphite, charcoal, pastel pencils, pen pastel, watercolor, acrylics, in illustration or super realistic. Don't forget the mono printing with the gel plate from Jelly Arts. I'm a brand ambassador for Derwent, I'm a brand ambassador for Pen Pastel, and I'm a brand ambassador for Jelly Arts. So I like to inspire people with my art. You can find all those different types of materials in my playlist. So I combine those videos together in my playlists. And of course, you can find my Dutch books there and also my English books, Pen Pastel. If you want to get inspired, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you will be the first to know when there are new videos available. Hope to inspire you. Bye!